Cancer, this reading is for you if you feel like you have been holding things together for a long time, quietly. On the outside, things may look normal, but inside you have been carrying emotions, responsibilities, and memories that never really got released. You didn't complain. You didn't stop showing up. You just kept going. This reading is not about sudden change. It is about understanding what is shifting inside you now, and why life starts responding differently when you do. Listen slowly. Each card builds on the last. The first card that comes up is the Moon. This card shows emotional confusion that comes from being too aware of everyone else. You feel everything deeply. You sense moods, changes, and unspoken tension. Over time, this made you doubt your own feelings. You started wondering if you were overthinking or imagining things. The Moon shows that lately, your emotions have been louder at night or during quiet moments. Old feelings come up when you are alone, not to hurt you, but to be understood. You are not confused anymore. You are becoming honest. Emotionally, this card says you are learning to trust what you feel again. Earlier, you ignored your instincts to keep peace. Now, your body reacts faster when something feels off. That is not weakness. That is clarity returning. In daily life, this card shows you pulling back from situations that drain you emotionally. You don't explain much. You just listen to your inner signal. That is the first shift. The second card is Four of Cups. This card shows emotional tiredness, not sadness, more like feeling done. You have given chances. You waited. You stayed open longer than you should have. Four of Cups shows that something offered to you no longer excites you. A conversation, a role, a pattern. Earlier, you would still try. Now you pause. You ask yourself if it is really worth your energy. Emotionally, this card brings honesty. You admit to yourself that not everything deserves your attention anymore. You are not rejecting life. You are choosing better. In real life, this looks like less reaction, less chasing, less emotional effort where it is not returned. That quiet withdrawal protects you. The third card is Knight of Cups. This card brings emotional truth back to you. It reminds you of who you are when you are not overwhelmed. You are caring, intuitive, and emotionally deep, but only when you feel safe. Knight of Cups shows that you are reconnecting with your softer side. Not to give it away, but to honor it. You allow yourself to feel again without guilt. Emotionally, this card shows healing through expression. You may want to write, speak honestly, or simply sit with your feelings instead of fixing them. That helps you release old weight. In daily life, this can show a gentle connection returning. Maybe with yourself. Maybe with someone who feels emotionally safe. This is about sincerity, not intensity. The fourth card is Six of Swords. This card shows quiet movement away from mental and emotional stress. You are not running. You are leading calmly. Six of Swords shows that you finally understand something cannot be fixed by staying longer. You take your lessons and move on without drama. Emotionally, this brings relief. You stop replaying conversations. You stop hoping for different behavior. You accept what is. In real terms, this can show distance, less contact, or simply less emotional attachment. Your mind becomes clearer when you stop fighting reality. Cancer. Now we move into the second half of this reading. This is where the emotional weight you've been carrying starts to lift in a real, lived way. The fifth card coming in is Ten of Wands. This card shows emotional overload that you slowly accepted as normal. You carried everyone's moods, needs, and problems along with your own. You didn't ask for help because you didn't want to burden anyone. So you became the strong one. Ten of Wands shows that this became too heavy. Not suddenly, but over time. You didn't notice how much it drained you until your body and emotions started reacting first. Emotionally, this card brings a clear message. You are not meant to carry everything alone anymore. Being strong does not mean being exhausted. You are allowed to put some weight down. In daily life, this looks like doing less without guilt, saying no sooner, stepping away before you feel resentful. This card shows release begins when you choose yourself quietly. The sixth card is Justice. This card brings truth and balance back into your life. You see situations clearly now without emotional fog. You stop making excuses for others while questioning yourself. Justice shows that you are finally being fair to your own feelings. You realize that understanding someone does not mean tolerating everything. Emotionally, this card brings calm because once you accept the truth, you stop arguing with it. You stop asking why things happened and start accepting what they showed you. In real life, this shows clear decisions. You stop over-explaining. You let actions speak. This brings balance back into your emotional world. The seventh card is Queen of Cups. This card shows emotional maturity and self-compassion. You learn how to feel deeply without drowning in it. Queen of Cups shows that you are still caring, still loving, but now with boundaries. You listen without absorbing. You care without losing yourself. Emotionally, this brings stability. You don't swing between extremes anymore. You feel centered, even when emotions rise. In daily life, this card shows better emotional control. You don't react from hurt. You respond from understanding. This changes how others interact with you. The final card is the World. This card shows completion. A cycle ends fully now. You are not repeating this emotional lesson again. You finally learned where your responsibility ends and where others must carry their own weight. Emotionally, this brings closure. Not sadness, not anger, just peace. You feel done without feeling empty. In real life, this opens space for something new. Healthier connections, lighter days, more emotional freedom. This chapter closes because you changed, not because others did. If you want a personal deep reading where I look into your emotional patterns, relationships, and your full path through 2026, you can book a complete 2026 forecast with me. 2026 full forecast, $155. It covers love, money, work, and the inner shifts shaping your future. If this reading helped you, like and share it. Subscribe for more grounded, real readings. Affirmation for you: I release what weighs me down. I honor my feelings without losing myself. I move forward lighter and stronger.